Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's Matt with Green Bar Trading coming to you from the basement. So I worked my other business all morning long and I got FOMO. It was CUEN, I believe, was the ticker. This thing was ripping over 150%, approaching 200%. Amazing moves, blew through that and just kept rocketing. So I get home, I jump on the charts, I get involved when the price pulls back and we start a red to green move after the initial push up. Now I'm going to show you and I'm going to get into my exact entries and why I scalp these momentum trades. These momentum stocks are not meant to be held. If you do hold them, be careful because you can get flushed out so fast. So here we go, sharing the trade. So this was a very nice two trades right here. Total hold time. Like I said, scalp trading these. Total hold time was about maybe a minute and 30 seconds between both trades. Now, the first time I got involved was after we saw it open up. Now, this was the leading gapper in the entire market. It's currently sitting up 195%. Just awesome to see. The momentum is so nice to see. So anyway, we get the pullback. Now, this is important. It was up so much. Profit taking off the open is totally fine. But when something is up that much, I had so much confidence that there was going to be people still trying to buy the dip on this as long as it stayed over VWAP. Now, sometimes they'll sell down and go under VWAP. It's happened before. It happens a lot. And you can actually get a pretty nice pop on the most popular #1 momentum stocks. Sometimes a pop through VWAP after the initial sell-off that, might last a couple of minutes. So anyway, this one did the same thing. The only difference is this held up very nicely. Now, when it started to curl, you can see that I wasn't the only day trader looking at this one. This thing has so much volume. It's just insane. So once it curled and then made that first 1 minute candle to make a new high, look at the volume that came in at around 940, just crazy. I got involved once it broke through the 9 EMA, one of my favorite indicators, because if you're trading over the 9, that means the move is totally relevant. It hasn't tried to break down yet. So once it regained that 9, I just want to be involved in that next few trades. So we got through the 9, I got involved, and then I took profit on this very next candle here. I got filled at 895. It ripped. It says the high a day candle here that I sold on was 925. It banged 925 and instantly came down crashing. So when I sold at 895, I was thinking, wow, I'm a genius. No, it's scalping. I want to be in and out. I don't want to hold these. Now, you could have held it if you don't set any stops, and you would have been down $1 a share, but it came right back because the market we're in is super hot. But even though it's so hot, you have to stick with your stop loss. So if it does come down, you really should be stopping out. You never know when these that are up 200% can flush and halt going down. It happens a lot. So anyway, scalp this, came up on the pullback, to my favorite indicator, the 9. It held above it. I took another trade here for another nice $20 scalp in probably 30 seconds. This was a very quick trade right here. So anyway, when trading momentum, try to get in, try to get out. These are great stocks to really pad your account with. So I highly recommend learning to trade momentum stocks, learn to scalp, learn the strategy where VWAP, the 9 EMA, 5-minute setups, 1-minute setups. And if you watch enough of my videos, especially on all these beautiful stocks that we're seeing now in the market, you'll see where I get into the stock and where I get out of the stock. These are very specific entries and very specific scalps. I am watching level 2 the whole time. I see where the price action is moving, where the buyers are, where the sellers are, and seeing the momentum back is a beautiful thing. I mean, we're up 190% on this stock. It's 11 o'clock. Now, once it comes past, like that 10, 10:30, 11 area, that's when things could get really, really choppy. So I tend to not trade anymore. So what I will do is I'll take the family, we'll go to the pool right now and enjoy the afternoon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. The leading gapper, CUEN, delivering for the account. So I will see you guys on the next video. I hope everybody has a great day. Take care, everyone.